Follow these steps to connect a wireless monitor to your Windows 11 device. Before you begin, make sure both your Windows 11 computer and the wireless monitor support Miracast. Most modern Windows 11 devices do. To check your computer's compatibility, press the Windows key and K. If you see a message about your device not supporting Miracast, you may need a cable to connect the monitor. To check the monitor's capability, refer to the user manual. Once you have confirmed your computer and monitor are both compatible, follow these steps to connect the two. First, make sure the monitor is turned on. If you are using a Miracast adapter or dongle, make sure it is plugged into the display properly according to the manufacturer's instructions. On your computer, click on the volume icon in the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Select the arrow next to the Wi-Fi icon and make sure your wireless network is connected. Click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Click on Display and select Multiple Displays. Click on Connect next to Connect to Wireless Display. A menu showing the available devices will appear. Select the display you want to connect to and follow any on-screen instructions. Please note when connecting to a wireless display via Miracast, it can often ask for a PIN, which is displayed on the screen of the wireless display itself. If you have any questions about connecting a wireless monitor via Miracast, please contact us via social media so we can assist you. Make sure to subscribe and check out the other videos on our channel for more Windows 11 and Dell support content.